boys helping mommy? Yeah? Are you helping mommy sweep the floor and clean up? Look, good helpers you are. Thank you. Working together to sweep the floor. Ethan, I don't know how much you're helping. Are you being good and helping? Thank you.
Look!
Yeah, mommy's getting you on video. Because it's so cute. Are you sweeping up the floor? Sweeping up the floor? Helping mommy clean up? Good job, guys. Thank you. You all done? Are you all done cleaning?
No.
No? You still got more to do? Okay. Yuckies. Get all the yuckies. Ooh, watch out, hon. Hey, boys.